Dealing with a ransomware attack, what to do step by step. Ransomware attacks can be terrifying, but knowing what to do in the event of an attack can help minimize damage and increase your chances of recovery. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to take if you find yourself facing a ransomware attack. Step 1. Identify the attack. The first step is to identify the ransomware attack. Common signs include a sudden inability to access files, strange file extensions appearing on your documents, or a ransom note popping up on your screen. Step 2. Isolate infected devices. Next, immediately disconnect the infected device from the network to prevent the ransomware from spreading to other devices. This may involve unplugging Ethernet cables or turning off Wi-Fi. Step 3. Assess the damage. Assess the extent of the damage by identifying which files and systems have been encrypted. This will help you determine the potential impact on your operations and what data may have been compromised. Step 4. Notify authorities. Contact your IT department or cybersecurity experts to report the attack. You may also need to notify law enforcement, especially if sensitive data has been compromised. They can provide guidance on how to proceed and may assist in the investigation. Step 5. Do not pay the ransom. While it may be tempting to pay the ransom to regain access to your files, paying the attackers only encourages further attacks and does not guarantee that you'll get your data back. Explore other options for recovering your files, such as restoring from backups. Step 6. Restore from backup. If you have backups of your data, use them to restore your systems to a state before the attack occurred. Be sure to verify that the backups are clean and free from ransomware before restoring them. Step 7. Strengthen security measures. After recovering from the attack, take steps to strengthen your cybersecurity measures. This may include updating software, implementing stronger access controls, and providing training to employees on how to recognize and avoid ransomware threats. By following these steps, you can minimize the impact of a ransomware attack and better protect your organization's data. Remember, preparation and vigilance are key to staying safe in an increasingly digital world. Take action immediately to safeguard yourself against ransomware attacks. Reach out to TandT LLC for professional guidance on fortifying your digital security. Don't procrastinate. Get in touch with us today to bolster your defenses against cyber threats before they strike. Thank you for watching. Help spread the word and empower others against ransomware attacks. Subscribe now.